Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is one of the most fun videos that I've ever created. I actually love MAC lipsticks and there are certain colors that I really cannot do without my MAC. These colors are colors which I most frequently wear when I go out. So I thought why not share these beautiful colors with all of you and for all the people who are looking to buy new lipsticks. Whether it's nude, whether it's brown or red, you're definitely going to find one of it in this video for sure. Let's start with the swatches. So in this particular video, we'll be going in the order of, the lighter lipstick colors to the darker ones. So the first lipstick that I want to share with all of you is, I think, one of the most famous colors by MAC. It's called Meher. It is one of the most beautiful colors that it really goes with any smoky eye look or also without makeup. In fact, I think this particular color just suits people between NC 25 to NC 35 the best. That's what I feel. Actually, NC 40 people can also pull it off if you're doing a smoky eye. I'll just quickly swatch the color and show it to you. So this is how the color looks like. It's a very pretty mauvish, pinkish kind of color. So I'll just swatch it on my lips for all of you. So this is how Meher looks on me. I am actually an NC 35. So this particular lipstick for me is like an everyday kind of color. You can wear it to work, you can wear it to college, you can wear it if you're just going shopping with your girlfriends. So I think you can wear this color with any particular attire, with any kind of eye look, and that's what makes this particular color so special for me. So now for the lipstick number 2 on our list. The second color is basically Mocha. Now this particular lipstick actually was in competition with another nude color which is one of my favorites from MAC. It's called Twig. It's not in our list today because I do have more colors which are more favorite of mine. But this particular color simply wins because I think it goes better with my skin tone. It's more of a peachish nude kind of a color. I'll just show it to you in a minute. This color, I think what makes this really beautiful is that it can really brighten up yellow undertones. So if you do have like warm undertone, if you are an Indian that is, and if you're like a medium skin toned or even a fair skin toned Indian, I think this particular color is going to look gorgeous on you. It can definitely go very well with all smoky eyes. It can go very well without makeup as well, and it can really instantly brighten up your face. I'll just show this to you in a minute. So as you can see, this particular color immediately brightened up my face. It's one of those colors that you can actually quickly kind of just use the lipstick and put it on your cheeks as a blush as well. Let me just show it to you. I actually do that sometimes with most of my lipsticks. It gives like a very nice corally kind of blush, as you can see. Very subtle and really nice. So you can create a very nice, monochromatic kind of look with this particular color. Actually, it looks amazing on Indian clothes is what I've seen. Like whenever you wear some really bright color churidar or lehenga or whatever, sari or whatever you're wearing, I think this color is going to be one special color that you can quickly put on and not even worry about it. It's going to stay there for so long. It doesn't go even when you kind of eat or drink, but it can come out, but it doesn't go away completely. So now for the lipstick number 3. Any guesses? This particular color I think is one of the most favorite MAC lipsticks that I've seen in almost every girl's handbag at either work or college. I think this color is one color that can really change the way you look completely. It's called Ruby Woo by MAC. I think this color is so famous that all of you would have definitely heard about this color. Personally, for my skin tone, this color looks amazing. I think this color can look good on any skin tone. Any range from fair to dark. You have warm undertone or cool undertone. So I think this particular color is something that you can pull off. You can basically pull off any festive event or any concert or wherever you're going, you want to look like a bit bling. I think this particular lipstick is the lipstick that you gotta wear. So I'll quickly show you the swatch on my hand. a dark pink kind of a color, if we have to say. I'll just apply it and show you how it looks on my lips. So this is what it looks on me. It's a really dark reddish pink kind of a color. Now this particular color, as I already mentioned, will look great on festivities, or whether you're going for a party or concert. That's where I usually wear it. Of course, you can wear it anywhere you want. And I think the one thing about this particular color would be that it is a little drying on the lips, as what I've observed. All matte shades by MAC are pretty drying. So you can actually go ahead and wear a lip balm before you do apply this. It can dry your lips, if you're going without a lip balm. And yes, to talk about the packaging, actually I did get this in red color because it was a special edition. Otherwise, it actually looks, the packaging is same as the other MAC lipsticks. So now for the lipstick number 4, this lipstick basically makes you look exactly like the name of the lipstick. It's called Diva. I think this is one lipstick that I think I would personally prefer for a dinner night, or maybe you're going on a date in the night time. I think this is the lipstick that you gotta wear. It's a really nice dark burgundy kind of lipstick. Let me just show you the swatch on my hand. This particular color can really it can really add some spice to your look. If you're missing that spice and you want to look really different, you want to basically come out as someone who is a bit strong in terms of your personality, I would actually pick up this lipstick. You can also wear it for like really important meetings at work or any other place where you really want to create an impression. So let's go ahead and swatch this on my lips. So this is how the color looks in me. This is Diva by MAC, and I think this particular color quickly gives me that right confidence that I want, before I'm actually going ahead with something important, and if I do want to basically create an impression. So this particular color again lasts really long. You need to apply a lip balm before you go ahead with this color, and this color basically doesn't come off when you eat or drink. So this was Diva. Now the lipstick number 5 is basically a red lipstick. It's a bright red, beautiful, bold lipstick. It's called Russian Red. Now this particular color, what I believe is that it can really kind of, be a good addition into your vanity in terms of a nice red color. It can add that spice again for all your Indian festivals, or even, wearing it for any other festival like Christmas, or it could be anything. I think this color is something that I would usually pick up when I'm wearing a beautiful red dress. I'll quickly swatch this color on my hand and show you. Yes guys, so this is basically Russian Red. As you can see, it's a very bright red, and I think I would mainly wear it with like all my red dresses in whenever I'm going to a party or something. And I think this particular color can look very beautiful on fair skin tones. I think medium skin tones and dark skin tones can also pull it off. This particular color, what I believe is you don't need a lot of eye makeup with it. You can go really minimal on your eye whenever you're putting this particular lipstick. So these were some of my favorite lipsticks by MAC, basically 5 of my favorite lipsticks by MAC. And I just showed you all the swatches. These colors are absolutely beautiful, and I'm sure you will definitely pick up at least one of them in your vanity. Now guys, thank you so much first of all for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. Please do like this video, share this video, and definitely subscribe to this channel for watching many nice and entertaining videos on makeup, skincare and lifestyle. So take care guys, see you until next time.